Hi friends, today we are making quick Japanese miso butter grilled shrimp, a glossy, smoky weeknight dish with big flavor in very little time. It serves 4 and the prep time is 25 minutes, so it is perfect when you want something impressive without a long marinade. Let's walk through the quick Japanese shrimp lineup. 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined with tails on, is the star. Large shrimp stay juicy on the grill and the tails make them easy to turn. 2 tablespoons white miso bring the deep savory flavor. Choose a mild white miso so the shrimp tastes rich, not overpowering. 1 tablespoon soy sauce adds salt and a darker grilled edge. It helps the glaze taste balanced and deeply Japanese. 1 tablespoon mirin gives gentle sweetness and shine. That sweetness helps the miso butter caramelize quickly on the grill. 1 tablespoon sake loosens the glaze and adds a clean aroma. It cooks off fast and leaves the shrimp tasting rounded. 1 teaspoon sugar supports the quick char. It is just enough to round the salty miso and soy sauce. 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger keeps the glaze bright. Fresh ginger cuts through the butter and wakes up the shrimp. 1 garlic clove, grated, adds a small savory punch. Grating it helps the flavor spread evenly without large pieces burning. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, softened, make the glaze silky. Soft butter blends into the miso and melts into the grill marks. 1 tablespoon neutral oil helps the shrimp grill cleanly. Use something mild so the miso butter remains the main flavor. 2 scallions, thinly sliced, bring a fresh finish. Their green bite makes the sweet savory glaze feel lighter. 1 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds adds a nutty final crunch. A little sprinkle makes the shrimp look and taste finished. 1 lemon, cut into wedges, gives the final squeeze. The acidity brightens the butter and makes the grilled shrimp pop. We begin the prep by patting 1 pound of peeled and deveined large shrimp very dry with the tails left on. Dry shrimp grab the glaze better and sear instead of steaming. Now that the shrimp is dry, make the base of the glaze. In the mixing bowl, combine 2 tablespoons white miso, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon sake, and 1 teaspoon sugar until mostly smooth. To build the aroma, stir in 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger and 1 grated garlic clove. Mix until the ginger and garlic are evenly spread through the miso sauce. Now soften the glaze with 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Mash and stir until the butter breaks into the miso mixture and forms a thick, creamy paste. Next, add 1 tablespoon neutral oil to the miso butter paste. Stir it in completely so the glaze coats smoothly and helps the shrimp release from the grill pan. Add the dried shrimp to the bowl and fold gently until every piece is coated in the miso butter glaze. Keep the tails clean enough to hold, but cover the shrimp meat well. Let the coated shrimp rest for 10 minutes at room temperature. This short rest seasons the surface without making the shrimp mushy. While the shrimp rests, heat the square cast iron grill pan over medium-high heat for 5 minutes. A hot pan gives us fast grill marks before the shrimp overcooks. Once the pan is hot, lay the shrimp in a single layer across the ridges. Leave a little space between pieces so the glaze sizzles and chars instead of pooling. Grill the first side for 2 minutes without moving the shrimp. This gives the miso butter time to caramelize into those savory golden ridges. After 2 minutes, turn each shrimp with tongs. Grill the second side for 1 to 2 minutes, until the shrimp are opaque, curled, and reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part. To finish the cooking, lower the heat and toss the shrimp on the grill pan for 30 seconds. This coats them in the last bit of bubbling miso butter without burning the glaze. As soon as the shrimp are glazed and cooked through, transfer them to the matte black oval plate. Keep the shrimp in a small mound so they stay hot and glossy. Finish with 2 thinly sliced scallions and 1 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds over the hot shrimp, then tuck the lemon wedges alongside. The grilling is complete, and the dish is ready to serve right away. And that is our quick Japanese miso butter grilled shrimp, smoky from the grill, savory from the miso, and rich without feeling heavy. Serve it hot with the lemon wedges, either as a fast main dish or a shareable appetizer. If this easy shrimp recipe delivered on that quick weeknight promise, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more recipes.